a little bit of a dev update and trying to create a full working iOS Android app with just using AI, zero coding, only vibe coding. I've gotten AI multiple times now to create a boilerplate app, login screen, sign up screen, main screen, and it attaches to a Firebase database. I've done this multiple times. It works. It takes a lot of error handling to get it to this point, but finally there are no more bugs. It shows up in the Firebase console. You can see all the users being created, so that works. You can log in. It works. So we've gotten to that point. The next step is obviously to make the videos. Multiple app ideas of mine require videos. I don't. I was trying to actually do the recording of the videos, but I've decided against that because it keeps on throwing up such insane errors. Like the AI just keeps on going really hard on the errors. It's like 50 errors. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna deal. That's gonna take me an hour to go through each one and fix because I have to run the app each time. It won't tell me the error. I needed to run the app and it'll tell me one error at a time and I'll just go through them. So if it's showing me 20, 30 errors, I'm just not going to do that. So what we're going to try to do is do an image picker, pre-recorded video like the one I'm doing right now. And just like TikTok does, YouTube does this, same thing. They all do this. List of videos that you pre-recorded. You can click what you want and you bring it in. The problem is that Expo, React Native, they don't actually have this feature. And so there's a workaround that they have in order to actually upload it. We'll see if it works. I've never actually tried this specific task with the AI, but it should be easier because it's not having to store locally a video that it's recorded. It's already stored locally in the photos album, so it should be easier. If that's done, the messages that's I think simpler, if I'm not mistaken, than sending messages. And at that point, it's gonna be comments. You get likes, you get things. You have the clone, the TikTok clone. That's the goal right now. I'm trying to create a TikTok clone. We'll see if it works. If I can actually vibe code a full working app, I mean, right now I can publish this on the App Store and you can sign up. Now there's no functionality, so now we just have to add the functionality of the app. The goal obviously would be to create a TikTok app where the goal is not to make money from the app, maybe make a few $1,000s, obviously, but the goal would be that it's completely democratized, so everyone basically gets as much money as possible for uploading videos. It's going to be a low bar to upload to actually monetize. That's the goal. Will anyone actually watch this or sign up? No clue, but that's the goal right now. And if I could do it for absolutely free, I can actually run the app basically for free. So